Welcome. In front of me is a CMF Phone 1, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. To get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Disregard this automatic page flip or just added a toggle. Obviously that's not normal, so by default you should be on the first page, and now you want to flip through it till you see the battery saver. From here, click on it. It gives you this pop-up: turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and it delays notification. We're gonna select turn on, and that's about it. Now once you're done using it, you can just find this toggle again in your notifications and tap on it once more to disable it. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.